Hello everyone, welcome back to the MailsDaddy YouTube channel. Before getting started, do you receive emails with important PDF files, Word documents, Excel sheets, images or other attachments? Obviously, you will get at the same time. You will need an easy way to save them from Outlook. In this video, I'll show you the different method to save and extract Outlook attachments. We will begin with the simple to fastest method for saving a single attachment. So let's get started with the simplest method. Let's say I have received an email containing a single attachment. If I only need to save this one file, Outlook provides a very simple option, and for that open the Outlook. Now go to that email which contains one attachment. Now right click on the attachment and here you can see the save as option is available. Click on that. Now choose the folder where you want to store the file and then click on save button. That's it. The attachment has now been saved to my computer and I can access it directly from the selected folder. This method is quick and convenient when you need only a save one or two attachments. But what if an email contains several attachments? For that, go to that email which contain more than two attachments. Just right click on the attachment. Here you can see the option is available, save all attachment. Click on that and just click OK. Select the path. As you can see, the selected attachments are saved. Method third, where automatically save attachment using VBA. I wouldn't recommend this method because it will overwrite your attachment. For example, if you have multiple emails with the same attachment name, they will be replaced with new one. I have provided the code in the description. You can check it out if you need. Now let's move to the fourth method. If you have a large amount of existing Outlook data and need to extract attachment in bulk, manually saving files or creating a VBA solution may not be the most convenient approach. This is where a dedicated solution such as MailsDaddy Attachment Extractor can be useful. Instead of processing attachment one email at a time, the software is designed to help extract attachment from Outlook data in a more streamlined way. For the software, go to the browser and search MailsDaddy PST Attachment Extractor. Click on this. Now click on the free download button. Here you can see the software is getting started to download. Once it downloads successfully, install it. Also you can follow the on-screen command or steps. Once you open the software, it will ask whether if you have a valid license key, enter it and click on activate button, or you can choose get demo button. Remember, with the demo version you can save 20 items per folder. Here I have a valid license key, so I'm continue with license key. You can see license key has been registered successfully. Once it's successfully registered, the tool automatically close and open. Here click on add file, select the PST file you want to extract the attachment from there. You can also use add folder to add multiple PST file. Now select the file, enable the maintain folder hierarchy to preserve the original folder structure. Also disable it to save all extracted attachment in a single folder. Now select the destination folder for extracted attachments. And just click on extract button to start the process. Once the process is complete, you can access the extracted attachment from the selected destination folder. The data has been exported successfully. Now we can cross check. Go to the selected path, click on the MailsDaddy backup inbox. Here you can see the PST attachment extractor has been successfully extracted. Before we finish, let's quickly compare all 4 methods. For single attachment, use the save as method. For multiple attachment from the save email, use the save all attachment method. If you want to automatically saving attachment from new incoming emails, you can use VBA. And if you are dealing with a large collection of existing Outlook emails or PST data and need bulk attachment extraction, consider dedicated solution such as MailsDaddy PST Attachment Extractor tool. And that's it. In this video, we have covered 4 ways to save and extract Outlook attachment. We started with the simple save as method, then we used save all attachment for multiple files. Next, we look at how VBA can automate attachment saving. And finally, we explored MailsDaddy PST Attachment Extractor for bulk attachment extraction from Outlook email data. The right method depends on how much data you have and how frequently you need to extract attachment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And if you have any question about Outlook attachment extraction, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.